Welcome boys, welcome to the channel. This is the new project truck, the V8 Toyota muscle truck. When I first saw this build, it made me crazy. It made me feel like it was my old truck, the F-150 with the Mustang engine. That's why I liked it so much. I don't know, you know, the small truck, big engine combo just makes you smile inside. My plan is to finish building it. That's the way I bought it, just like this. With the engine already installed, the transmission already installed. The engine has been rebuilt, so it's brand new. The transmission also has been rebuilt, but as you can see, has no fuel system, no wiring, no cooling system, and you cannot see it doesn't have a drive shaft also. So we need to figure out the cooling system in here. It's a bit tight, but we can make it work. We gotta install a new fuel system for this car also. We can't use the old pump. It was a carbureted vehicle before. This truck came with a 1RZ. That's a small 2-liter economic engine, torquey, but just perfect for this pickup. But we went and ruined it and installed this one, or made it better. You tell me. My plan is to make it run. It's not gonna be a drag or drift only car. It's gonna be a sleeper, maybe daily, and fun drift, drag, anything we throw at it. So the stance has to be a bit lowered, but not much. Better wheels and stuff, but that's all in the future. Now we just have to, I just want to make it run and leave it as is and keep the old man look. I like the old man look about the truck. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe and follow me on this build. Help me, give me tips, whatever you want. I'm new to Toyota. I've always been a Ford guy. I like the JZ family engines, and I've always been a fan of this engine because the first time I saw it, I think was on YouTube, in the small Falcon Corolla with the 8 ITBs. Everybody knows that video, and I can't believe now I own one already in the Hilux, swapped, ready to run. So we're gonna start saving, do the things as we can, and make it run. The interior is pretty nice too. Not that bad for a 20-year-old truck. Got my basic stuff in here. Big old bench seat. You have to change. Nothing broken. Seats are dirty, but that's normal. Nothing broken here. Nothing broken here. Perfect. Nice. And it has power windows. And the shifter is, oh, never mind. Okay, nothing broken there. Perfect. Nice. For 8 gauges. Boost gauges. This is a nice place for gauges. Yeah, I'm gonna make this truck a sleeper. Gonna put the gauges right here. There we go, down there. That's fine. Papers and stuff. Papers. There you go. the radio. And went away. There you go. Went away again. Okay, so we have some wiring problems to take care of. But subscribe and join me on this great adventure.